Ooh, baby.
A pretty cool hotel tour!
We are on our way to Yucca Valley in Southern California. We are headed to America's Best Value Inn and Suites, Oasis of Eden. Fun fact, Kesha shot a music video here recently. That's a rockin' 50s room if I've ever seen one. Cute little kitchenette. Ugh, the table that is a soda pop with a straw. And pillows to boot. Oh boy. Double tub room. Let's see some more rooms. Welcome to the desert oasis. Oh, and what an oasis it is. One of their signature painted skies. I love a tiny coffee pot. I love a mini microwave. Mini fridge, nothing against it. Fake flowers are my love language.
Looks like Superman's chest.
Nice. Tub time?
Tough time.
Oh no!
Fish it! Fish it! And you lost your pants?
Nice.
Heyo. This is a great room.
This is a freaking great room.
It's definitely vintage pull off of Route 66 on a road trip, and you're surprised by the place being like a kind of cool kind of place.
Right. The themes aren't as like in your face, but they're like murals and tubs and colors and maybe a statue or a picture. And I think it's certainly a roadside motel that is very worth stopping at. You know, one time I made a video.
Yes. Oh, I know about that video. Ahead of your time.
Ahead of my time. Cleanliness wise, I think it's also on par with like a roadside motel. Like, you're not going to get 5-star treatment here. You might find a French fry just over there. But also, like, that doesn't scare me.
It's a good one.
It's a good one.
Rock on.